Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to jump into the limited edition Easter Glossy Box egg full of products. It is a limited edition reveal that I actually just found out is sold out. But if you want to see what's inside and you want all of the details behind this limited edition, really adorable egg, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into and crack open this egg with me, stay tuned. So the egg is really cute. I did already pull the product out, but it's a really cute, like, reusable. You'll find this on a shelf at some point behind me. But there are 7 products in the limited edition egg. Unfortunately, it is sold out, but they did give me a discount code for GLOSSYBOX because they are sold out, so that'll be in the description box below. But the limited edition Easter egg is the 3rd annual, and it is finally here to wow you over. Easter is all about the arrival of spring, sweets, and celebrations with loved ones, but here at GLOSSYBOX, we like to include a little bit of makeup, skincare, and hair care too, so set aside the chocolates, crack open your egg, and enjoy your new beauty treats. The first item out of the egg is the Bumble Surf Foam Spray Blow Dry. This is for beachy hair. It can be glamorous. Infused with a signature salt mineral complex, this part mousse, part salt spray will add polished volume to your hair. Shake well, mist into damp hair, distribute evenly with fingers, then blow dry with a brush for a polished look or use your hands for wind-swept wave. This is the travel size, which is 1 ounce and retails for $17. The full size retails for $31 and it's 4.4 ounces. I have used this before, and with my curls, it's not really something that I like to use, but those people that I know who love this and swear by it. So it's one of those things that is really personal if you like that beachy, wavy look, which obviously for spring and summer I'm all about. I live in South Florida. Beachy waves are definitely a vibe all the time. But for me and my curls and what I like to do, it's just not what I go for. The next item I have actually received and used before. This is from Lacoste. This is the Daily Skin Mask Pearl. Retails for $3. Brighten and illuminate your skin with this Tencel Sheet Mask. It is a pearl extract containing anti-aging benefits to promote rejuvenation and give your skin a beautiful, luminous glow. After cleansing and toning, place the mask on your face and leave for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove and gently pat remaining essence into the skin. Now, I found that this was actually really nice on the surface of the skin, but I don't have the one that is in here. This is a different one. So this is the Brightening Sleeping Mask. This one's a liquid, and this is the one I've used. I've never used the sheet mask. I just, recognized this. So it is a little bit different. This one was super nourishing and hydrating. My skin is a little more oily, so it was a little heavy for what I typically like, but if your skin is drier, it's definitely something I think you could enjoy. Next, another product I have used, and this one I actually really liked. This is from Grande Cosmetics. This is the Conditioning Peptide Mascara. Condition while you coat. This mascara is infused with peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes to promote healthier looking lashes over time. It is buildable, clump-free, and water-resistant. Sweep the brush from lash base to tips in an upward motion. Apply multiple coats for extra volume. Retails for $25. I definitely think that this gave me really nice volume when I used it. The one thing I will say with the lash conditioning is it made my lashes feel so soft. I swear by the Grande Lash Serum, so my lashes are only as long as they are because of that serum. Not that they're super long, because I haven't been using it in a while, but my lashes used to be super sparse and basically non-existent, so it is the Grande Lash Serum that made them as nice as they are. The mascara is really nice and doesn't flake, it doesn't clump, and I do think it is quite buildable. The one thing I will say about Grande in general is they know lash health. So they're not going to make your lashes feel dry, and when you take them off, it's not gross. Speaking to the water-resistant claim, water-resistant means you can walk out in the rain, but you can't go swimming. So don't expect this to be like, I can go in the shower and I'm not going to look like I've been crying. You will, you can, it will run a little bit, but only if there's a lot of water. Water-resistant typically means, walking through the rain, no problems at all. Just definitely don't go swimming. The next item comes from Bioderma. This is the Sensible Foaming Gel. The subtle, gentle soap and fragrance-free cleanser has a lipid restoring and moisturizing properties, making it a great option for even sensitive skin. It removes makeup and cleanses without stripping or over drying. Apply to wet skin, work into a foam, and rinse with water. The Deluxe Mini is a $6 value. I have used this in the past. I really like the Bioderma micellar water, more than I like the cleanser. The micellar water is just really nice on the skin. I got that in a GLOSSYBOX as well, though it might have been a look fantastic. Anyway, the Bioderma is nice because it is super gentle. If you're wearing makeup, use a makeup remover first and then use this, or an oil cleanser first and then use this, because this is meant to, cleanse the skin and rebalance it and get it ready to tone, but you're going to want to get all of the dirt and debris off first. So I would definitely start with either an oil cleanser or a balm for removing makeup, or makeup wipes if you use those, because that'll help to allow this to really work on your skin. I definitely think you need to pair it with another cleanser and should be double cleansing if you're using a gel cleanser like this one. The next item I have officially been using now for 2 weeks, and I'm a huge fan already. This is the Wander Beauty Dive In Moisturizer. Retails for $36. Get up to 72 hours of deep hydration with this lightweight lotion. It is a powerful combination of 13 fruit extracts, including strawberry, raspberry, and cranberry, to defend the skin against damaging free radicals and to slow the signs of aging. Take a pea-sized amount onto the clean face twice a day, suitable for all skin types. I will 100% agree with all of those claims. It is a super lightweight gel, and it doesn't have a strong fragrance, but it does smell like skincare. That's the easiest way to put it. Very gel-like, lightweight, dissolves into nothingness, and the skin loves to soak it up. I really liked this, and it was a moisturizer that worked really well for me. You guys know, again, I'm a little more on the oily side, so I like a lightweight gel moisturizer. So this is right up my alley. You might want something a little more hydrating if you have more dry skin, but that being said, it might really work for you, because I do think this doesn't linger on the skin. Your skin really drinks it up, which is really the good sign and a good testament to a great moisturizer, is that your skin will latch onto that hydration. It just won't sit on top of your skin. The next item is from Elemis, and this is the Dynamic Resurfacing Gel Mask. The Deluxe Mini retails for $27, so that is a lot of value in a tiny little bottle. Combining the patented tri-enzyme technology with Amazonian Aracola cherry, this cooling gel mask targets fine lines, superficial scarring, and uneven texture for a smooth, radiant complexion. Apply onto evenly cleansed skin, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Remove with warm water after 8 to 10 minutes. You might feel a tingle. I've used this in the past, and I don't think I remember feeling much of a tingle, but that being said, I use a lot of things from like the Olga Lorenzen line, which is very spicy, as she likes to put it. So if your skin is a little less sensitive or a little hardier, you won't have an issue with this. If you're not used to things that exfoliate, polish, and give you a little bit of that like tingle, then this would probably be a good place to start for a mask like that, because I do find it to be a little bit more gentle than a lot of the other skin smoothing masks on the market. That, and I just love Elemis. Their products are really good. And the last item is from Mademoiselle Provence. This is the Lavender and Angelica Hand Cream. Caring for your hands is just as important as caring for your face. This hand is enriched with fresh, natural lavender and angelica extracts from the south of France to nourish and soothe your skin. Apply regularly after washing hands, remember your hands will also show your first signs of aging. Retails for $10.99. I couldn't agree with that more. Your hands, neck, and chest are the first things that give away how old we are. So making sure we don't stop our skincare here and we take it down the neck, onto the chest, and on our hands will be the fastest way to ensuring that we don't have premature aging. Something else it does say over here is that in a few of the eggs, there's going to be a golden ticket for a Foreo device. I love my Foreo. I have the Mini Bear, I have the UFO, and I have the Luna. I love all of them. I'm not sure which one is the Easter egg prize, but honestly, you will be happy with any of them. They are some great tools. So unfortunately, like I said, this is sold out, but if you use the code down below, you will get a discounted price on your GLOSSYBOX in the future. It is not an affiliate code. I'm not making any money off of it, but I'm just, sharing some discounts for you guys. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the egg down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.